It is currently 369 pips. Let me show you from our entry point, not from where it started, from our entry point, because we entered late, to this downside. Yeah, that is 300 and what, 300 and, in fact, 371 pips. Yeah, it is 371 pips. 371 pips. We analyzed all these things. I think I'll be giving us more of the free webinar, at least maybe once in a while. I don't want to say once in a week or twice in a week. Yeah, maybe once in a while, or maybe once in a week, whereby we just analyze trades for the week and we see how it goes. And that's by the way. So I told us about this trade that is going to be a massive trade. Like, we expected price to come and clear this level, this liquidity level, just the way it cleared it here before we entered this sell, after using this candle to clear this double top here. So we said we entered very late, but notwithstanding, we expected price to come all the way down to come and clear the liquidity downward, and that is the thing it did. The exact thing we expected, the exact thing we analyzed was what happened. It was what price delivered for us. So if you are able to target all these levels, and if you are able to know the point or how to enter, there's difference between seeing levels and entering it the way you're supposed to enter it. So if you are unable to enter it the way you should enter it, you will still be a victim of liquidity being taken out. You will still be a victim of your stop loss being hit or blowing your account. And apart from that, I showed us something on what's this called now? I showed us something on weekly time frame. I showed us something on weekly time frame, and I showed us this particular level here. How that price came to clear this level on, okay, this is monthly time frame, but the same thing will reflect on weekly time frame, because it was obvious. It was a obvious, I mean, it was an obvious something rather. It was an obvious thing. So price, you can see this level here. Let me take out my trend line. Okay, let me use horizontal line. All right, so you can see this level here. This level here. So price came all the way, cleared this level, cleared it up, then it came all the way down. All right, so everything started from the weekly time frame down to daily time frame, down to what's it called, down to 4 hours, down to 1 hour. So the levels were just so consistent. So it gave us more confidence why we should enter the trade. We see another level created here, liquidity pool, and it went all the way down. Look at this one here. It's very obvious here. This place and this place cleared the place. Did what? Cleared the place. After clearing it with the first candle, it went to retest, then came all the way down. So if you are able to target all these levels, trading is going to be very easy for us. Yes, it's going to be very easy for us. And the same thing happened on 4 hours time frame. So everything is consistent on all these time frames. See the level here, came here, cleared it. After clearing it, it came all the way down. And if you check the 1 hour, 1 hour time frame is the lowest time frame that I used to advise for you people to stay. Yes, that you shouldn't go beyond 1 hour. Yeah, so if you check 1 hour, the same thing happened in 1 hour time frame. So if you are able to understand all these things, it will be very easy for us to catch nothing less than 100 pips. As you guys know, we don't catch or trade anything less than 100 pips on this platform. let me show you something that I just observed now. No. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. So price can come any moment from now to take a buy, just to clear the liquidities here. See, this market is all about liquidity. Forget about anything you are being told. Maybe I don't want to I don't want to start. You know what I'm talking about. Those of you that have attended my webinar, we know what I'm talking about. I don't want to start. We have jargons, all sort of information outside there, like information that's that's not even it. Yeah, many of you have been rock pulled. Anyway, if you're into crypto, you know what that means. Anyway, I will start uploading on crypto very soon on this channel, so that we can blend everything together. How to trade stock as the same way we trade stock is the same way we trade forex. Like, it's just little small idea that you just have to know knowledge. Rather, you just have to know some knowledge about information on some stocks and all that. But it's the same chart, the same format, the same structure, the same liquidity, the same pool, and everything is the same. If you're able to understand charts on its own, so every other thing is going to be easy for you. You can trade anything. You can trade binary indices, you can trade normal volatility indices, whatsoever thing you want to trade. You can trade boom and crash. You can trade stock markets, you can trade forex markets. All you have to do is the pure understanding of this chart. Yes, the difference between all these things is just volatility. Do you understand? And some knowledge that you just need to know. You just need to have. So anything outside that, once you're able to understand your chart, you are good to go. Yes, I'm saying it authoritatively that you are good to go. Yeah. So you can also subscribe to my mentorship, or just stay tuned to my channel and just follow my teachings. But if you want to go deeper, if you want to really know the real deal, it is life mentorship. It's forever and ever. We stay together till you are tired. And it's just for a small money. Yeah, very small money. That's just it. So the main thing is your attention, your seriousness, and your determination to be a profitable trader. But that's by the way. So if you are new to this channel, just let me introduce myself. That my name is Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Yeah, the selfless strategic trader. All right. So another thing that I will tell you is that remember to subscribe, remember to like, and remember to comment. And the brokers that I use, they are the one that I'm going to recommend. Yes, because for we to trade, I've traded with $1 before, I've traded with $2 before, I've traded with $18 before, I've traded with $10 before. Like, give it them like times 10 and times 20, 100 results. Yes, proofs are on the channel. So if you want to trade like that, you really need a good broker, not a broker that will cut off your head. You need a good broker. That is why all the brokers that I recommend are on my description. Just choose any one of them and subscribe with them. Yeah, subscribe with them and start enjoying yourself. Any broker that I recommend for you, just know that it's broker that you'll be able to deposit small amount with, just for you to practice. There's even one of them that you can deposit $1. Yes, $1, and just practicing with cents, just for practice purpose. When you are okay, then you can shoot up. And if you already have the capacity to deposit a very good amount, in fact, it is always advisable you deposit like $100. Yes, you deposit like $100 or $50, just for you to start off. But that is by the way. The most important thing is I'm recommending those brokers to you. Go there and it's the click the link to register. All right, I think it's your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch ya. Bye bye.